Sanibona, ngithembe niyaphila. Hope you like, share, follow and comment to the page. Izincazelo zamaphupho, imini umhlaziyi wamaphupho. Today, the topic that I'm going to be talking about is seeing yourself in the mirror. A lot of people have been asking, okay, ngicela ukubuza ukuzibona uzibuka esibukweni okanye ubona ngathi kunesibuko basibhekisa ngakuwena okanye ubona isibuko nje ubone nawe uvele esibukweni. So today I'm going to be just juggling around that. So number 1, ukuphupha ke uzibuka esibukweni usuke uboniswa izinto eziningi, usuke uboniswa ngawe ukuthi look at yourself behavior, have some self reflection ngobuwena, remind yourself who you are, remind yourself where you have been or things that you've been through. You can't just give up now. That is why you see yourself in the mirror. Ukuthi zibheke zikhumbuze ukuthi konje mina ngubani, ngifunani empilweni futhi ngizozifinyelela kanjani lezo zinto lezo empilweni. Number 2, kuyaba ke ukuthi uboniswe ukuthi unobuhlakani obungakanani ngempilo yakho, ukuthi abantu abaningi bathembele kuwena okanye labo bantu babhekela kuwena ngezinto ezithile, kungaba ngolwazi, kungaba ngenhliziyo yakho edlekayo. Futhi ke kuyaba ukuthi uboniswe ukuthi isibuko abanye abantu mabakubhekile babona bona, sho ukuthi ngamanye amagama buwena, you are a self reflection. Number 3, kuyaba ke ukuthi uboniswe impilo yakho ukuthi ihamba kanjani, kuyaba ukuthi esipilini bekukhona ubani, bekukhona ini ndawo naphi okanye yini evelile lapho ukuze ukhona ukwazi ukuthi liqondeni iphupho lakho njengoba kuvela lesi sipili. Last but not least, kuyaba ke ukuthi uboniswe ukuthi uyathetshula okanye kukhona ukuthwetshula obhekane nako. Kuyaba ke ukuthi kubekwe isithombe sakho esipilini okanye kubizwa igama lakho lapho kuleso sipili, yingakho ke uvela esimeni sokuthebulwa okanye yingakho kuvezwa isithombe sakho esipilini okanye kuvela wena qobo esipilini. Sibonge, Chamako. Hope you like, share, follow and comment the page. Izincazelo zamaphupho. Thank you for listening and watching. Chamako.